What's up, guys? Yo, yo, yo! Live on the Leaf Metal Break. You guys hear me okay? My mic, I have to use this weird mic setup right now. You guys hear me? Hey Jesse, what up? Can you hear me okay? Get that cracking. Can you hear me, Jesse? You can hear? Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah. Every other time I start my broadcast, my mic will be like catching all kinds of crazy sound or not catching any sound. So sometimes I gotta switch mics. It's super annoying. Loud and clear? Awesome, awesome. Thanks, guys, for being patient while we waited for that shipment to get here. Sometimes they're a little late, but they've never missed a day. Whenever they say it's going to be, here it is. Sometimes you gotta wait, but glad it came in. We'll wait a couple minutes here, wait for some more people to jump in. As I said before, though, the procedure for this one is we'll rip all this. I'll take pictures of everything and post it up on the thread. And then I'll randomize the order for the drafting, and then you guys can start picking. So we'll see what's in it before we get our random order first. I like to do that just because people want to see what's in it without thinking that they're only going to get the worst card. You never know what you're going to get if it's already going to open like this. So gotta have hope that you're going to get the best one. Hey Lazarus, what's up, man? Just ask that everyone be patient while people are picking their hits. You know, people got all kinds of different schedules, so sometimes it might take them a little while to pick their card. Just everyone be patient, it'll be picked. We'll get it started here in just a second. You got enough people and then we'll get started. Yo, what's up, Roger? Not much, man. Just getting to see what's in this 2017 stuff. I don't really know any of the big guys except for like some of the running back and then Deshaun Watson and the Trubisky guy, but I don't know like the wide receivers. That's usually who I go for is wideouts. But yeah, me too, Roger. I watched a little bit of the combine and stuff when the running backs were going. It was pretty cool, but it's like I find it hard enough to follow enough NFL football. It's hard to watch college football too during the season. I'm just not into it as much. But we'll get going, guys. Get started with our first box. 5 autographs per box, and they're probably already top loaded. I assume these ones are too. Curtis Samuel. Is that a wide out? I like wide receivers. Usually the guy I go for when it's like a new rookie. Dude. Oh, nice. Personal connection. That's cool. The auto's probably just going to be popping right out. Yeah, they're popping out. Christian McCaffrey, Dalvin Cook, Leonard Fournette, Trubisky. I don't know any of the defending guys. But like Deshaun Watson, that's a big one. We'll get it going, guys. Best of luck. See what we got. Dante Foreman. No idea. We'll go everything first. They take pictures once we're done. You guys can start picking after we get the order done. Corey Clement. I'll try to actually read a little bit of information here. Powerful running back from the Badgers. 292 carries while scoring 14 touchdowns in his senior year. Not bad. Blue. That one's at a 50, 37 out of 50. Clement. Badger. Artavis Scott. $13 out of 20. 190-pound wide receiver from Clemson. Clemson always gets good receivers, so or puts out good receivers. Okay, you got 3 autos. What's going on here? Is there something in the box still? Okay. God, I hate when that just sit in the bottom of the box. Definitely 5 autos. I was getting scared though. I only saw 4. There's definitely 5. Marlon Humphrey is our next one. 6'1", 196 DB from Alabama. So probably a pretty high pick. Usually the Alabama guys, especially their defenders. Okay, see our last one. Printing plate, so it's straight backwards. Let me read it here. Black plate of Jehu Chesson, 1 of 1. Authentic used printing plate. Pretty cool, 1 of 1 card. No info about his team or anything on that one, so I can't give you a little rundown. But cool card. Okay, so first box. Try not to leave the other items sitting in the box. So when I turn it around, you can tell it comes out of their little holder and probably slid underneath the box. Yeah, I see how it happened. Yeah, there's no like bottom to that soft thing, so it just goes right through the bottom of the box. Hey, here we go. Next 5 autos. Malik McDowell, purple. 6 out of 25. 6'6", 296, defensive lineman. Detroit, Michigan. No school, I guess. Nice 1 out of 25. 6 out of 25, purple. Next one we got Davion Smith. 5'11", 228, running back from Michigan. 2,200 yards, 22 touchdowns in his career. 479 carries, pretty beast. Next one, Touchdown Kings, James Quick. This one's 8 out of 35, 6'1", 180 wide out. Cardinals, Louisville. Nice looking cards. Leaf metal always looks sweet. Next one, Brian Hill. Is that toned differently? No, it's just the refractoring. 6'1", 219 running back from the Wyoming Cowboys. 775 career rushes for 4,200 yards and 35 touchdowns. That's pretty good. Never know though, with the smaller schools they're sometimes not as high as draft pick. Okay, next, last hit of this box, John Ross, purple out of 25, 5'11", 190 wideout from the Huskies. 109 receptions, 1,700 yards, and 22 touchdowns in his last. Oh, and that's his career numbers. Okay. I was gonna say if that was all one season, that would be insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, I just gotta make sure every time now. Okay, next box. Let's see one of these big name guys who I actually recognize. Everyone's getting an auto, so at least no one will go hitless in this one. These soft things are kind of a waste. Looks like we got a redemption here. Put him in the back. But we got the guy who's a little bit controversial here, Joe Mixon, running back. Oklahoma. Joe Mixon. Patriots will not put him on the draft board, they say. O.J. Howard, purple. Crimson Tide, tight end, 6'6", 250. 110 career receptions, 1,600 yards, and 6 touchdowns in his career. Out of 25, 5 out of 25. Next one, we got another Jehu Chesson. Got a 1/1 printing plate of him a second ago. 6 out of 50. Michigan, 6'3", 203 wide receiver from Michigan. Nice. Big guy. Pretty sweet. We got another printing plate auto. This one doesn't have any backwards lettering or anything on it. Who is this? Base auto. Autographed by C.J. Beathard. 1/1 autograph. Magenta plate. Doesn't say school or anything, so I don't know much about him. Another 1/1 though, another plate for us. And then a redemption. Who is it? Leaf Metal Draft Football. Stacy Coley base auto card. Parallels may be awarded at the time of fulfillment. No idea who he is. Stacy Coley base auto. Okay, that's the last one in that box. Okay, one more box. Let's see a big name guy that I can actually recognize here. Some of these guys, you never know. They could be the next, T. Brady. Could be the next Randy Moss or Jerry Rice. Just, you have no idea until they start playing in the NFL. That's why I usually wait to buy these ones, the singles and stuff. You just have no idea. Especially not before draft. You have no idea where their team they're going to. Okay, last 5 autos. Best of luck, guys. Got this QB that we just hit with a 1/1 C.J. Beathard. Armed and Dangerous Blue. 32 out of 35. Iowa Hawkeyes, 6'2", 215. Senior year career numbers, 5,500 yards and 40 TDs. He also rushed for 418 and 10 touchdowns. Jeez, that's insane. College numbers are insane. Next one, Kareem Hunt, pink. 4 out of 20. 6', 225 running back from Willoughby, Ohio. So no school, I guess. Out of 20. Next one. Cooper Kupp. I feel like I've heard of him. Cooper Kupp, Touchdown Kings. This one's not numbered. Eastern Washington Eagles. Multi-purpose standout. Scoring machine on both offense and special teams. Finished with an NCAA career of 77 total touchdowns. Dang. Wide out and returner and stuff. Edelman type. High motor. Okay, 2 more autos. Best of luck, guys. Tyrone Swoops. Autograph card. 6'4", 249. Quarterback from the Longhorns. 3,000 yards and 17 TDs for his entire career, so only a couple of years or something, maybe just riding the bench. Cooper Kupp, steal of the draft. Yeah, I was gonna say he sounds like a, it says he's a multi-purpose like an Edelman or Amendola. Getting those nice run backs and catching mad touchdowns. All right, last one, guys. Best of luck. Ooh, there you go. Finally, someone. This is the big guy. One of the big guys of the draft. Christian McCaffrey. Pink. So I think that one's gonna be out of 20. Yep, 3 out of 20. 6 foot, 200-pound RB from Stanford. I saw his combine stuff. He's pretty good. Another high motor guy. Total gym rat. Basically, he's white. Okay, I'm going to just run through everything we got real quick, and then we'll be done. I'm going to take a picture of everything, post it on our break thread, and then we'll do the random for the order, and you guys can start picking. So McCaffrey out of 20, Tyrone Swoops, non-numbered, Cooper Kupp, non-numbered touchdown king auto, Kareem Hunt out of 20, CJ Beathard out of 35, Armed and Dangerous, Stacy Coley auto redemption, Beathard 1/1 printing plate, Jehu Chesson out of 50, OJ Howard out of 25, Joe Mixon, Badman, no number, John Ross purple, 25, Brian Hill, no number, James Quick, Touchdown Kings blue out of 35, Davion Smith, non-numbered, Malik McDowell, 25, Jehu Chesson, 1/1 printing plate, auto, Marlon Humphrey, non-number, Artavis Scott. This guy's stats sound pretty sweet. Clemson 2 out of 20. Clemson receivers usually do pretty well in the NFL. Corey Clement, blue out of 50. Dante Foreman, non-numbered. Okay, so that's all 20 autos. You take a picture of everything, post it up there, and then I'll randomize the order, and you guys can start picking. Alright guys, see you in a little bit. Be there to monitor the picks and stuff and to mark who gets what. And I'm probably going to do the random for those guys, the 3-box break there, the little multiplayer card. While we're doing that, alright guys, take it easy. Thanks for joining.